right, good afternoon. This is Thursday, November 20th, and if you recall back to yesterday's video, I was telling you to buy the IWM ETF, right? The Russell 2000 ETF. All right. Now, when you compare the Russell 2000 to the S&P's NASDAQ or Dow, the Russell has been lagging. So a perfect opportunity to get involved long in this market where we're at all-time new highs is to buy that ETF. So as the market pulled down from here, 118 and change, down into here, I was telling you yesterday that it could be bought right in here. And as you can see, today the market staged a pretty big rally. Okay, so let's just crunch this up a little bit here. Again, remember what I told you yesterday. Market did in fact come up, took out this high, which isn't the all-time high in this ETF. Took it out, came back, right? Bars turned from red to green. Trend is officially up through the 200 and the 50. We've pulled back. We're right in that the blue action zone rather, and so this was a nice opportunity. All right, that is the market just closed. Market just closed. So a big day for the Russell 2000. Let's take a look at the SPYs, which is pretty much the S&P 500, right? The spider S&P 500. So that is a pretty strong day as well. And it's an engulfing pattern, right? We took out yesterday's low and high, closing near the high of the day, which I believe is very strong, and I think the market could move a lot higher, actually. Okay? And if you look over at the QQQ, same thing as the S&P 500 on the highs. All right, and if you look at the DIA ETF, right, the Dow Jones, right on the highs. You see that? Engulfing patterns for the DIA, which is the Dow, the Qs, which is the NASDAQ, the S&P, right, SSO, which follows the S&P 500, but it's 2 times the Ultra Fund, right? So that tracks the S&P 500. The Qs, but 1-to-1. DIA, 1-to-1. Again, IWM is down from those highs. That's why I was pointing that out. That was a great opportunity. Got a big rally. I mean, we got a big rally in the other markets as well. But again, this is off the most recent high. So I think there's more profit potential for the short term to continue running higher. That's why I chose the IWM. So if you take a look here, you've got 4 great ETFs. You've got, again, the DIA that matches the Dow, the Qs, NASDAQ, IWM, which is the small cap Russell 2000. And then you could either trade the SPY, right, SPY, which tracks the S&P 500 1-to-1, or you could go double SSO, which moves twice as much as the SPY in terms of a percentage basis, okay? All right, hope that helps. Have a profitable, tomorrow, have a profitable Friday, and I'll be back with you tomorrow. Bye for now.